Okay, we have a Toyota RAV4. We end up installing the Clipper 3105 to disarm it. You're going to hit unlock. Disarms the alarm, unlocks all the doors. You're going to hit lock. One beep is on. Basically, they stole the rims and tires in this vehicle. They left it on 4 bricks. So we end up installing the alarm system. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the tires. The alarm will fire off. Disarm the alarm. It's hooked up to the power locks. Any window that they bang on the vehicle will fire off the alarm. They try and tow it, it will fire off the alarm. It's got lifetime warranty. It's got the panic button. If you hold the lock, the star down, you can fire the panic. It's got the blue LED light. It's up on your dash, up in the windshield. It comes with 2 remote control. The other ones you're going to keep at the house. Basically, yeah, normally these vehicles come with a factory alarm system. And when they do, you don't have to install another alarm. I just add a shock sensor to the factory alarm, and then the end results are the same without having to carry an extra remote control in the keychain. But this was the base model. It did not come with a factory alarm system, so we had no choice to install a whole complete alarm system. This installation was done here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.